We have a program that allows students to get involved in the outdoors through their public school or private school setting. We get kids that are currently not involved in the outdoors exposure to many different areas.
I think a lot of our young people these days are too video game oriented or, hooked to a TV or something. The more we can get them outdoors, I think the better that they're going to see their environment as them being a part of a bigger and more worthwhile thing.
We love our children. We love to expose them to different things and different ideas, lifelong activities that will benefit them throughout life, not only today, but in their future, with their families, with their friends.
Our teachers are able to teach anything from hunter education to archery to fishing, backpacking, camping, all the way to survival skills, orienteering. They love it.
As I've been teaching through the years, I've realized I've reached more students when I offer things that are a little bit outside of the box. So I started incorporating, probably the first outdoor activity I incorporated was archery. It was infectious. The kids responded to that like I'd never seen them respond to anything else.
The Outdoors Tomorrow Foundation is constantly upgrading the curriculum every 3 years. That sets us apart from other organizations in getting a curriculum that is going to be in the hands of a teacher that are going to be relevant and up to date. We enjoy getting kids involved in the outdoors, and that's our mission.